Today, I will explain the IELTS reading test in a simple way. The IELTS reading test has 3 reading passages. You must answer 40 questions in 60 minutes. Each passage becomes more difficult. Passage 1 is easier. Passage 2 is medium level. Passage 3 is the most difficult. There is no extra time to transfer answers, so you must write your answers directly. Question types. There are different types of questions in the IELTS reading test. Multiple choice. In multiple choice questions, you choose the correct answer from several options like A, B, C, or D. Read all the options carefully before choosing your answer. Identifying information. In identifying questions, you must decide if the statement is true, false, or not given. Sometimes the options are yes, no, or not given. If the information is not in the text, the answer is not given. Matching task. In matching task, you match information from the text. For example, match headings to paragraphs. Match names to statements. Match information to paragraphs. You must understand the main idea of each paragraph. Other question types. You may also see sentence completion, summary completion, table completion, diagram labeling, short answer questions. Always follow the instructions carefully. Tips for the IELTS reading test. Read instructions carefully. Always read the instructions carefully. Check how many words you can write. For example, write no more than 2 words. If you write more than 2 words, your answer will be wrong. Use your time well. Time management is very important. You have 60 minutes for 3 passages. Try to spend no more than 20 minutes on each passage. For example, 20 minutes for passage 1, 20 minutes for passage 2, 20 minutes for passage 3. If a question is difficult, skip it and come back later. Skimming. Skimming means reading quickly to understand the main idea. You do not read every word. Look for titles, headings, and keywords. Skimming helps you understand the passage faster. Scanning. Scanning means looking for specific information, for example, dates, names, numbers, places. You move your eyes quickly to find the answer. Reading for detail. Reading for detail means reading carefully to understand exact information. This is important for multiple choice and true-false questions. Answer all questions. Always answer all questions. Do not leave empty answers. There is no penalty for wrong answers. A guess is better than no answer.